Hey guys, welcome to the Affiliate Profit Pages training for the week. This one's going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to review AI Cash Machines, which is a new product that just came out from Zach Crawford. I am an affiliate, so I basically am one of his students and I'm in his mastermind. So that's just complete disclosure there. Now, I know I got a brand new camera and I'm like so close. So anyways, what we're going to do is I'm just going to go through the sales page. We'll talk about what the program is. I'm just straight up, I'm blown away. And this thing is an amazing course, but the sales page is pretty phenomenal. It converts very, very well. So if you're looking for something to promote as an affiliate, jump in and go be an affiliate for it. If you're looking for something that's really going to take you to the next level and get into a like-minded community, which is I find probably the biggest missing element of so many courses. People they're not surrounded by like-minded people, so they go out there, they're making their content, and they're getting haters coming in, they're getting people saying all this stuff, and they just start getting bashed and they don't have a place to go where all these other people are going, no, no, we got this. We're gonna work together. So that being said, that's this I haven't found, and I've bought a ton of courses. I have not found a better community. I've not found a community where Zach is so present, where the creator is so present. The guy's a workaholic. So we all can't be like him. He is a workaholic. Does he take days off? Of course he takes days off. But when you have a question, especially in the mastermind, which I 100% recommend getting into if you're really struggling, if you've been trying this for a while and you're just like, oh, or you're brand new and you just want to fast track, he's available. It's basically you're in the way he does it's in a Telegram group, and basically we're in there all talking and people are helping and you're always getting your answers. Sometimes with these programs you can't find what you need or something is missing. Everything is there. People are just like, oh, you just go find it here. Oh, just do this. Oh, this is the button that you need here. So that's really cool. So if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe button. So let's jump into it. Oh, and I've got to stick around to the end because I got a bonus for you if you do join AI Cash Machines. So this is a little incentive for you to get it. Okay, so first thing I want to show you is the sales page. So let me share my screen. And this is the sales page here. All right. So this is it. So what I like about Zach's way of selling and way he does his sales page is right here, guys. There's a number you can call. You can message him directly on Instagram. As an affiliate, what's great is that he uses a really high a high what's the word? I believe the software is called Hydra, and Hydra is extremely good tracking software. So he has his affiliate software, but he also has Hydra. So he knows where every sale is. So the minute you hit this page, you have a cookie, your IP is recorded, and basically you're able to I mean, unless you're on a private thing, then of course not. But basically, so he knows as an affiliate, you know that you're going to get the sale as long as you were the last affiliate for them to do that. So there's a video here. It's a really great selling video, and it's all factual stuff that he has going on. He's been doing this for quite some time. He's about to hit the 10 million mark on ClickFunnels. So it's a $27 product. Guys, seriously, it's not $97. It's about $5,000 worth of training. And the community is just like, yeah. Anyway, so AI cash machine system is a new system leveraging the power of AI and affiliate marketing to help create passive income stream. So basically, in a nutshell, you are trained on how to set like let me show you the just the whole, like, the training is intense, guys. This is the back office. It's all delivered on the school platform. And when you buy the products, all your classrooms will be in here. So the AI cash machines is this one here, and it's got modules. It's hours and hours and hours of training in there. But you can jump through and you can jump around, but you kind of want to start at the top here follow like getting set up, and then go through the millionaire traffic formula, and then go to town. But if you already know some stuff, then you can get your system launched and launch it out there as you're going through it. So um it's basically, so what is the AI part of it? Zach has created two different private chat GPTs based on all his marketing. So anything you need when you use this chat GPT is based on his content, which is amazing. So he's going and his best converting content, you're able to tap into, knowing that what you're going to get out of chat GPT is going to be something that is converting. So when you're writing your emails, when you're writing your sales page, or your whatever you need to do, whatever you want to write a landing page, you want to write a sales page, you want to create a video script, you just have to tap it in there, and his chat GPT, both of them are going to create exactly what you need to do. So literally, it's an AI cash machine. You basically go, hey, what do I want to make a video XYZ? And boom. And in the training, you're taught how to use it, so you know what prompts to put in it. And then it spits out what you need to do. You go do it, and it's done. So it's amazing. Now, you can also plug in to ChatGPT other things that will actually, there's a video maker that you can actually, it'll make the video for you. There's just a ton of stuff in there. So that's the AI portion of it. But really, you still need to set up your system for you. And if you get into the mastermind, they set it up. They set it all up for you. So going through it, there's four bonuses. There's the AI automation prompts that I just talked about, the organic traffic profit. So if you guys don't know, my Instagram account, it's June 12th now. In May of last year, was I had years ago, I'd grown my Instagram to I don't know, about 4,000 or 3,000. Well, when I started using it again, I hadn't used it for I only had a couple hundred active followers. So the rest, so I basically, they were just, you'll see my Instagram is still around 4,000 followers or whatever it is, because there's only a couple hundred active. So I started cranking out the videos from his training. So he teaches you exactly how to do that. And right now I'm closing in on 80,000 followers on Instagram. And using the same method, I blew up a bunch of TikTok channels. Unfortunately, TikTok will just remove your accounts like in no time. So I've had multiple accounts removed there. The trick about I found with TikTok is don't have a comment something at the end of your video. So now I make my videos without any call to action to comment, and they seem to stay up there. But who knows? TikTok is just I've already made the video, so I just throw it up there just to see what it'll do. But I am getting people saying, "Hey, I want to learn," and I say, "Go to my Instagram." YouTube, I was at, I think I was just about to hit 1,000 followers on YouTube. I'm now over 5,000 for the, and going up. So I'm using that same short form. So that organic traffic really works. And right now I'm generating anywhere from 100 to 200 leads daily into my system using the exact traffic that he talks about. The seven-figure launch checklist is unbelievable. It just gives you a clear mindset to just know exactly what you need to do, laid out for you. It's very simple, but it's so powerful. And the private community again. So, and I said this at the beginning, we get beat up as affiliate marketers when you're out there making content. It's so like I get comments every day. So here's what I do. I Anybody says anything negative on my comments, I just block them right away. I don't even answer them anymore. I used to answer them and try to turn, I don't even do that anymore. I just go find their name, I block them. It deletes their comment, it gets them out of my environment because they don't want to be in my environment. The only reason they want to be in my environment is to bash, to spew hate, to be negative, to just do that. So the faster I can get them out of my community, the faster they're out of my head. Now, some people get really affected by this and they don't want to do it and they try to get people over and then they get bashed on more. Well, where do you turn? Especially if you have, maybe your family isn't thinking what you're doing isn't the best thing you should be doing. maybe you're fighting with your spouse and you're like, oh, why are you trying to do this online thing? Well, when you're in the community, we're all in there helping you. And Zach makes it so there's a ton of participation. Like we've got an official Instagram Reels thing going, you can win personal training with him. And it's just, yeah, it's just, it's so great, especially, and again, especially in the mastermind when you're on the Telegram, we're talking high level stuff in there. He's bringing in high level stuff. He just keeps us focused. Everyone's focused in there. So it really helps you know that any of that stuff happens, you can get rid of it right away and you can get on track and make sure you're doing your stuff. It's also he's vulnerable too in there, which is really nice. Like he says, I feel like crap. I don't feel like doing this today, but I know I'm going to do it, and I hope you are the same. And sometimes take a day off, but other times, if you're just not feeling it, maybe just push through. And that's really valuable. These are the valuable things that you really can't put a monetary value on, because it's stuff that you need as a solopreneur, as someone trying to do it online. All right. So basically, the old way, you can go through the sales page, clone a program system, leverage cutting, get $1,000 to $10,000 commission. Now, this is just, you can promote any product you want. He says focus on health, wealth, or fitness. You can focus on selling the course. You can focus on having the course as part of another system that you have, right? So you can do it however you want. But and you can take everything and you can go into any niche you want. The thing is, I think that the ultimate goal for you is you come in, you start learning how to market other people's stuff, market his course or market another product that you want to, and you get to a point where you're like, I'm ready to launch my own product, and then he works with you to launch your own product, or you just stay as an affiliate and just continue to grow. And where he's talking about getting people so that we can make passive income from the software that is recommended and all this kind of stuff. So you'd be able to set up your own system funnel or ClickFunnels, where you're actually get the person to join you in ClickFunnels or join you in systems, so that you have these recurring subscription ones, which I like. That's what I love to do. All right. It goes on. So these are, this is basically his thing. Yeah, it's converting really well. Now, the other thing I love about this, so you'll see testimonials on sales page, and to be honest, a ton of them are fake. These guys, this is Search him. He's the guy you can chat with. He's in the group. He sets up a lot of stuff. He does a lot of the technical stuff for Zach, right? Summer's in there. Troy is in there. Marizel, she was just commenting on my videos the other day. Parker, like all these people are real people, really in the group, in the mastermind. These are all not all of them. I think some of them are maybe our older ones, but they're all in there. So yeah, so basically that's what the product is. And there's a ton, guys. There's a ton of testimonials. Sean, Philip, Kristen, yeah, these guys are all in here. So anyways, a great sales page. Go through and read it. There is a scarcity, it says it expires by June 13th, tomorrow, and it's 27. But just so you know, it he will probably raise the price of this at some point. This is just this will be set to be the next day for a while, but at some point it will raise. So you don't know when it's going to raise. Anyways, I would go through the sales page if you're interested in learning more. I'll put a link below. I highly recommend it. And you guys, for $27, like when I have three girls and they're 7, 9, 11. So they're not even big eaters yet. But when we just go to McDonald's, it's a $40 bill. So for $27, like it's kind of like, it's a no-brainer. And then to set up your system, they've got you can use the completely free system in there, or you use whatever system you use. People are using ClickFunnels. I'm using ClickFunnels and Aweber. People are using Go High Level and Get Response. People are using System, all these different things. So you can use whatever you want. And you don't, if you don't want to do email marketing, you don't even have to collect emails. You can set it up so you just send them to the sales page. Especially, a lot of people are looking now as their social media is kind of a form of an email list. I personally still like my email list because I can take it wherever I want. I don't have to worry about if for whatever reason I lost that social media account or I lost that, I would lose my email or I would lose my list. My email is my list, so I can always get those people, reach those people. So in closing, AI cash machines, 100% worth it. A great program. Now, what I'm going to do is if you already get Zach's community and you're going to learn a ton in there, but if you want to get into my community, it's much smaller, but you also have direct access to me. I'm trying to help people out one-on-one. Some people get intimidated in larger groups. So if you pick up AI cash machines today, I will also put you into my school for the year. It's $97 a year or $10 a month, so you'll get access to that. My courses are in there. They're not nearly as robust as Zach's. I'm working on it. You got to start somewhere. You got to do baby steps, all that stuff prior to doing it. So that is the bonus. So if you want to pick it up, click the link below, go grab AI cash machines today. Get in and then once you get it, just message me and I will add you. I'll send you a personal invite to the school and you'll get into Zach's school and you'll get into my school as well. All right, guys, that's it. So hopefully I'll see you in both groups. And I hope you've enjoyed this review of Zach Crawford's AI cash machines. Cheers.